Hello, my dear children. We'll begin English language, chapter 3, common names and special names. In the previous chapter, you have already learned the naming words. Now we will divide the naming words into two, that is, common names and special names. Let us understand the chapter with many pictures and many examples from the presentation. Let us begin. Naming words are called nouns. Yes, children, this is a new term for you, nouns. You can see the naming words: sparrow, mother, mango, school, and elephant. These are the different examples. Now, names of animals. These are all common names. Cow, dog, a cat, any animal. It is all common names. Yes, children. Now I am giving you an example of only common names. Names of birds. The pigeon and crow. You can see the two pictures on the screen. Let us move to the next one. Names of persons. A man, brother. It can be a woman, a sister. Okay. Names of things. You can see the two pictures on the screen. One is a school bus and another one is a book. Yes. Names of places. Anything. We have given in the first example school. Here shopping mall, airport. It can be a home. Now let us understand. General names of animals, birds, persons, things, places are called common names. For example, boy, girl, dog, cat, etc. That means commonly it can be any boy, it can be any girl, anyone's dog, anyone's cat, any place. Yes. But now we will understand the special names. Names of the 7 days in a week. If I will say only days, then you can understand it is common name. But when I will mention you Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you can understand these are the special names. Names of the 12 months. Month is a common name and the special names are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November, December. Children, you can notice that every month's first letter is a capital letter. This is very important. The special names always begin with a capital letter. Let us see. Next example. Names of festivals. Yes, Durga Puja is the special name. Diwali is a special name because I am mentioning only one festival out of many. Names of rivers. There are many rivers in this world. A few: Ganga, Yamuna, Ajay, Hooghly. You can see the first letter is capital in every special name. Children, this is the best thing that you can notice. Naming words that are used for any particular or one person, animal, bird, thing, place are called special names. Special name always starts with a capital letter. This is very important, capital letter. Example, Christmas is the name of a festival, Arnav is the name of a boy, Chittaranjan is the name of a place where you are living in. And Ajay River, it is very close by to our homes. Children, I hope you have all seen. So it is a particular river I was mentioning. Let us understand common and special names with the help of these examples. Here you can see there is one word which is bold, which is darkened and which is underlined also. Let us read the sentence. I am going on a trip to Delhi on a train. Delhi is the special name. You can see the first letter is capital in the sentence. In between a sentence, we don't write capital letter unless it is a special name. And here the common name is train, because I can go to Delhi with any of the trains that are going. It can be a local train, it can be a Rajdhani, it can be Purva Express, those who have gone. So it can be any train. I am going on a trip to Delhi on a train. But now in the second sentence I have written I am going on a trip to Delhi. Again and again this slide comes. I am going on a trip to Delhi on Rajdhani train. So we know the particular train is mentioned. So Rajdhani and Delhi both are special names. I hope you can understand. With the help of a sentence it will be more easy to understand. Yes, next one. I love to read fairy tales. Here fairy tale can be any fairy tale. So fairy tale is common noun. I love to read fairy tales. My favorite fairy tale is Cinderella. Cinderella is the story, very interesting, and I hope you have already read or listened about this story. Here Cinderella is the particular fairy tale I am talking about this fairy story. Yes, so that's why the C is capital. You can see it is easily understood that Cinderella is a special name over here. Let us go to the next example. I have a pet dog. I had told you in the previous example, dog can be any dog. So dog is a common name of an animal I am using. But in the second sentence, I am using the name particularly Brownie is my pet dog. So Brownie, I am mentioning only one dog, that is my pet dog. So Brownie is a special name I have given to my pet dog. I hope children you have understood something from this, and the next one more video I will post. With that you will be more clear with the concept. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. God bless you.